What's going on, everyone? Today I have a 2016 Cadillac SRX. We're going to replace the battery in the remote. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom of the remote. There's a button right here on the right side of the fob. I'm just going to push it in, then you can pull the emergency key right out. Now we're going to turn it with the buttons face side down, and I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to pry off this back panel of the remote here. There's a little slit right here that you can just pry on, and it'll crack it right open. All right. So the battery is located in the back of the remote, and it's going to use the flathead screwdriver just to pry it out. We'll get the new battery, and I'll show you what size it is. Okay, so here's the new battery, and this battery size is a CR2032. I'll leave a link down in the description box to take you to Amazon so you can check out some batteries if you need to buy some batteries still. But you notice that it has a positive sign right here. That's going to be facing down. When we stick it back in the remote, we're just going to stick it right back in just like that. All right, so we just get the other half and push these guys back together. Everything should just click, and then put the emergency key back in, and we are good to go. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.